Ever wished you could effortlessly turn your Liondesk campaigns into registration powerhouses, boosting sign-ups and maximizing engagement? First, you'll need to log into your Liondesk account. Navigate to the Campaigns section. This is usually found on the left-hand side navigation menu, often represented by an icon that resembles a letter. Click on it to open the campaign dashboard. Now, either select an existing campaign you want to modify or create a new one by clicking the Create Campaign button. Make sure you're in email campaign type if you have created a new campaign. Inside the campaign editor, you'll find the text editing area where you can craft your email message. This is where you'll insert the registration link. Identify where you want the call to action to go, perhaps near the focus of your message or the closing of your email. Type out your call to action, something like register now, sign up here, or a similar invitation. Select the phrase or words you want to turn into a clickable link. Now, click the link icon in the text editor toolbar. This icon looks like a chain link. A pop-up will appear. In the pop-up, you'll be prompted to enter the URL of your registration page. This could be a link to a form, a landing page, or a webinar registration setup outside of Liondesk. Paste the entire URL into the designated field. Once the URL is entered, you can customize options for the link. Ensure that the Open in New Window option is set to your desired preference. Then, click Save or Apply to finalize the link creation. Your selected text is now a clickable link. Before sending, it's always a good idea to preview your email. Click the Preview button. This allows you to see how the email will appear to your recipients and to thoroughly test the registration link by actually clicking it. Once you're satisfied, save the campaign and begin sending. Your recipients can now easily register directly from your email campaign. You've successfully streamlined your registration, increased engagement, and maximized campaign participation.